system in Salesforce. So today we will see the automations of payment plan. So requirement is when an opportunity is marked as closed won, then system should automatically create an opportunity payment plan based on the selected payment plan. Example, a record has from date 16/3/2025 and to date 15/3/2025. So every payment plan first installment date will be from date. Okay. Yesterday we have seen every opportunity is having from date and to date. From date and to date, right? So what from date indicates when our leasing starting period and our lease ending period, to date difference. Okay. So yesterday we have seen this opportunity payment plan. There are 5 payment plans. First is monthly, there are 12 installments, and second one is bi-monthly, there are 6 installments, and third one is quarterly, there are 4 installments, and another one is half yearly, there are 2 installments. Last one is yearly, there are only 1 installment of 100%. So now we will go to the opportunity object. Yes, this is the opportunity, and whenever opportunity is getting created, user need to select the payment plan, right? Here is the payment plan. So this payment plan already we have created. Yesterday we have seen how that opportunity payment plan is getting created here. So today we will understand how that flow is working of opportunity payment plan. Okay, so we will go to the flow. Yes, this one is the flow. Already I have created this flow. We will understand easily. Okay, right? Yes. So we will go through with this flow in detail. So first we are creating flow from scratch, and this is the record triggered flow. So our start condition will be, so here the start conditions. We are running this flow on opportunity object, and a record is created or updated, right? And conditions are stage equals to close one. If our opportunity stage will be closed one, then only our flow will be get triggered. And second one is record type ID, because here we are having different record type. Real estate record, see this leasing opportunity, we are having corporate record type, real estate record type, leasing record type. So we need to run this flow only on real estate, so that's why we have selected this record type ID equals to, this is the leasing opportunity record type ID. Okay, only when a record is updated to meet the conditions requirements and action and related objects, right? So, and another, we are going next to decision element. Okay, so see here we are checking, we are adding different conditions and decision elements. See, if payment plan is yearly, we are checking the opportunity payment plan equals to yearly payment. If yes, then it will execute the this statements. And if opportunity is simply, you can add from here, yes, and this plus icon, that is new outcome, right? So we have five outcomes total for different payment plan. This is for yearly, this is for half yearly, this is for quarterly, this is for bi-monthly, and this is for monthly. Just we need to put here condition, like if you want to run this outcome on half yearly payment, just we will go to the payment plan and equals to half yearly payment. So we need to create records here for that. For another is quarterly payment plan, we are giving here condition payment plan type equals to quarterly payment. Another is bi-monthly, see same condition, just we are giving the value as bi-monthly. For monthly, everything same, just we are giving the monthly payment. So after that we are creating the payment plan record. So This is the first record, and for what condition it will run? If payment plan is yearly, so it will create only one. Why? Here we can see the in payment plan, if yearly payment plan, it it could create only one installment for 100%, right? So this is the only one installment it will create. See, create first one installment, and manually we are creating, and here on opportunity payment plan object we are creating this record. So here we are giving the values to the fields. So this is the amount field in opportunity payment plan object. See, here we will go under opportunity, just we'll see analyze new. Okay, here are that all fields: amount, installment number, installment percentage, installment name, installment date, opportunity payment plan, everything is there. And we are mapping here that all fields. Amount equals to, this is only one payment plan, right? So it will create only one record, opportunity payment plan, only one record. So what will be the amount for that? That would be from the lease amount. See, here in opportunity, what would be the lease amount? Lease amount is 10,000. So it here it is creating only one opportunity plan. So whole amount will be get populated in one payment plan, right? So the amount will be, we are bringing this from opportunity, triggering opportunity lease amount. Whatever with the lease amount, it will come here, it will get stored in opportunity payment plan amount field. Okay, and installment date, as we have discussed on opportunity, there is from date field always the first installment. See, here we have seen the a record a record has a record has from date and to date. So every payment plan first installment date will be from date. Okay, so here see, what is the from date? 16/3/2025. So here installment date will be also 16/3/2025. We are bringing this value from the opportunity. See, we are triggering opportunity. This is the opportunity record, and in opportunity record, what will be the from date field? That field is getting stored inside the installment date. Okay, another one is installment name. This is the checklist value. We are selecting first installment because this is yearly payment plan. One installment only this is having. And another one is installment number. By manually we are typing only for one installment, and percentage. See, this is the percentage value. We are creating one resource here. See, you can see this resource, yearly payment plan percentage. Where is the yearly payment plan percentage? Where is that resource? Yearly, you see, here is the yearly payment plan. That's what we are giving. We are creating one variable here. API name as yearly percentage, and what number we are giving, default value is 100. So what it will give? It will store the 100% in that percentage field. Okay, another field is opportunity. We are taking the opportunity ID from opportunity record here. Another one is payment plan. What will be the payment plan inside the opportunity? That will be get selected in this record. Okay. So in opportunity payment plan, this all will get stored. So first we have done with the yearly payment plan, only one record has been created. We'll go with half yearly payment plan. There are two installments we have seen in the document. Yes, yearly we have done with yearly, and second one is half yearly. There are two installment, one installment and two installment. That is a 50/50 percentage, right? So here in decision element, we have created one more outcome called half yearly installment. Here we are checking the if opportunity payment plan equals to half yearly, so it will be come and execute this outcome, right? So we have two installments, so that's why we are creating two opportunity records. So first one is See, everything is same. By manually we are creating on opportunity payment plan object and amount. Amount what? Now we are creating one more resource and we are dividing that amount like uh, this is half yearly payment. Where is that resource? See, half yearly payment, right? So whatever we see here, we are creating one formula and data type is currency because we need to store the amount inside that, and decimal place is 2, and here we are taking what is the value inside lease amount in the opportunity. This is the lease amount. We are fetching that field here, and what will be the amount if amount is 10,000, so we are dividing that divided by 2. So what will be the outcome for this? 5,000 5,000. If value is 10,000, it is getting if value is 10,000 in lease amount, that is getting divided by 2 means 5,000 5,000. So here we are giving that value 5,000 for first installment, and installment date always we have know that if first installment will be there, that will be from date from opportunity, and installment name is the pick list. We can select the value from the pick list. Installment number, first installment, right? Installment percentage. So here also we have created one more variable here, half yearly percentage. See, this is what will be the percentage if 100% divided by 2, what will the output for this is 50. 100 divided by 2 means 50 50. So here we are storing that 50 percentage by creating that resource, and opportunity we are simply giving the opportunity ID here, and payment plan ID. For second installment same thing we are doing, just what we are advanced thing we are adding here is amount is same, that only variable we are using, that half yearly payment divided by 2. If 10,000 5,000 will be get stored, and installment date. Say if installment date we are creating one more variable, only for first installment date we can take the value from the opportunity from date. For second installment, this second installment will be paid by after 6 months. Okay, as you can see in our Excel sheet, first installment date is 1/1/2022, and second installment will is coming after 6 months, 1/6/2022. Okay, so for second installment date we are creating one more resource called half yearly installment date, adding 6 months. Half yearly installment date. See, this resource we are creating, we are bringing the from date from the opportunity, and we are adding the 6 months. See, this is the function add months, and we are calling the record from date, whatever the from date inside that, we are adding 6 months comma 6 months, right? So this formula we are giving here. So what will be the if opportunity from date is 16/3/2025. So what is this formula is doing for 3 in what is the sorry 16/3/2025 is the from date. So what that formula is doing, that formula is adding 6 months in from date. Now 16/3/2025 is the from date. So after adding 6 months inside this, that will be get to I think 16/9/2025, right? So that value will come here in this formula. And same thing installment date, because first installment already we have created, this is second installment, we will give the second installment, and the installment number manually we will give 2. Installment percentage, we are using the same percentage like we have created before, one resource half yearly percentage divided by 2. See, 100 divided by 2 is what will the output for that? 50. So it will storing the installment percentage as 50%. On opportunity we are bringing the opportunity ID here and storing inside this, and same for payment plan, we are storing the payment plan here. Okay, so now already we have done with yearly payment plan and half yearly payment. Now quarterly payment plan. In quarterly payment plan, see, we are creating 4 installments, 1 2 3 4 installments, right? Each installment contains 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, right? So, and date will be 01/01/2022. After 2 months, that will be get after 3 months, sorry, 1 month, June, January, February, March. On 01/03 on March 2022, our second installment will be get created. Uh, and third installment on 1st of June 2022, our third installment, and fourth installment date will be 1st of September 2022. Each installment contains 25, 25, 25%, right? So here we will, there are four installments, that's why we are creating four records here. Already we have added here condition if quarterly payment plan will be there. This is another outcome. If quarterly payment plan is there equals to, so it will come in this block and it will execute this quarterly payment plan, right? So there we are creating four installment, 1 2 3 4 4 records we are creating. Same thing we are doing. First amount whatever the lease amount, this one. So now we are creating four installment. If lease amount is 10,000, so we need to divide that lease amount in four installment. So what we are creating here, one variable formula, and what we are doing, whatever lease amount is there, later lease amount, quarterly lease amount, right? Formula name, where is the quarter? Yes, here, quarterly lease amount, right? So here in formula we are giving the API name, and data type will be currency because this is the amount field. And here what we are bringing the value from the opportunity record, whatever the opportunity record is holding the lease amount, that we are getting divided by 4 because we are creating 4 installments. So each installment contains different same value as in 4 installments, right? So if lease amount is, example, if lease amount is 10,000, so here if 10,000 is getting divided by 4, so for one installment the value will come 2,500, right? So using this formula we are storing the amount value and installment date. Installment date, always we know this is the first installment. We are creating the, we are bringing the from date from opportunity for first installment. So everything same, installment name, installment number, installment percentage. See, now installment percentage, also for installment percentage we are creating one more formula, quarterly percentage divided by 4. So here is the quarterly percentage divided by 4. Here what we are giving, we are simply giving 100, and 100 divided by 4, what will the output? 25. So here that value will come 25 percentage for first installment is 25 percentage. And opportunity, same opportunity ID, and payment plan for same payment plan ID. Everything for every record, everything will be same. Like amount, for this is second record, amount will be lease amount divided by 4, 2,500, right? And installment date, here only just we need to change the installment date. We need to add the whatever from date, we are adding the 3 months inside that, like quarterly payment, call it quarterly second installment date. Where is the, here, quarterly second installment date, right? So we are using the function add months. We are bringing the value from the record, what will the from date holding value, in that we are adding 3 months, right? So after adding 3 months, if date will be 1st January, it will be adding 3 months. So what will be the date? 1st of April, right? January, February, March, on 1st April, that will be the value. Okay, so second thing, installment name, second, this is we are creating the second installment. Third thing, installment number, second installment. Fourth thing, installment percent. Same variable we are using here, resource, that quarterly percentage divided by 4. Already we have seen here, quarterly percentage divided by 4 is 100 divided by 4 is 25. It is storing the 25 percentage. Opportunity ID, payment plan ID. Okay, so for third record also same, just we are changing the one thing, quarterly amount divided by 4, lease amount, right? That value will, for this we are adding the 6 months already. For first installment date, from where we have to, from the opportunity from date. For second, what will be the opportunity from date? We are adding 3 months inside that. Now for third installment, we are creating the third installment date. See here, what will be the from date? We are adding 6 months now. So what we see here, in quarterly payment plan, we are after 3 months we need to pay one install. We are creating one installment is there, right? So 1369. So here we are adding 6 months in from date. This function we are using, same thing, everything. Installment name, third installment, as this is a first, second, and this is a third installment number, third installment percentage. Same resource we are using here. Quarterly percentage divided by 4, and opportunity ID and payment plan ID. Okay, and for fourth installment, everything is same, just we are changing the installment date. Like before, we are adding the 6 month in from date, so here we are adding the 9 months in from date, right? See, what with the from date, we are calling here from date from the record, and add months, 9 months. For this, we have done with the quarterly payment plan. Also another is bi-monthly payment plan. So we will see here, in bi-monthly payment plan we are having 6 installment, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what here we are doing, every bi-monthly means 1 month after 1 month. Okay, if for our installment, first installment is on first was Feb 2022, our second installment will be created. Our second installment date is first April 2022, and third installment 1st June, fourth installment 1st August, fifth installment 1st October, sixth installment will be 1st November. Sorry, 1st December. Okay, so here same thing we are doing. We in decision element we are adding one more outcome. This outcome is checking if opportunity payment plan is bi-monthly, this payment plan equals to bi-monthly. So we are creating these 6 records, right? This is the bi-monthly first installment, second installment, third installment, fourth installment, five, six installments. Same, we are creating the records here manually on opportunity payment plan. Now here what we are giving the amount, bi-monthly amount divided by 6. So what will be the lease amount here? So we are dividing this amount in 6 installments, right? So here bi-monthly, where is the bi-month? Yes, this. So what will be the lease amount? That is, we are dividing by 6. So each our 6 in each installment, the same value will come. So done. And installment date, always as our first installment is a from date, installment name, first installment number 1, installment percentage. As here also we are creating one more resource, bi-monthly percentage. Here bi-monthly percentage, 100 divided by 6. 100 is percentage, 100 is whole percentage, and we are dividing in 6 installment is divided by 6. What will be the outcome? That will store here that value, and opportunity ID and payment plan ID, everything same. For second installment, everything same. We are using that resource only, bi-monthly amount divided by 6. In second installment, bi-monthly percentage calculation, same, just we are changing the installment date. What will be the installment date here? In from date, we are adding 2 months inside that, like if lease in from date is 16/3/2025. So bi-monthly second installment, see, we are adding 2 months inside that, from date 2 months, same. So what will be the from date? If from date is 16/3/2025, it will add 2 months inside this value. 16/5/2025 will be the output for that. Just we are storing that here. And for third installment also same, just we are adding here one more resource for installment date, everything will be same, bi-monthly amount divided by 6. And what will be the installment date for this third installment in bi-monthly payment plan? We are adding the 4 months inside that, before, because of why we are creating 6 installment. So first installment date is from date, and inside that, for second installment we are adding 2 months, in third installment we are adding 4 months. Okay, so everything is same for all fields. Store the value like installment name, third installment, installment number, and percentage same results we are using bi-monthly percentage calculation like 100 divided by 6. For fourth record also everything same, opportunity payment plan record to create. Amount will be the bi-monthly amount, lease amount divided by 6. We are adding just here one more bi-monthly installment date we are creating, like now we are adding this 6 months, right? Add months in, from the from date we are adding the 6 months. Okay, and for another last one, there are two more payment plans are there. Inside these two more payment plans everything will be same, just we will add every 2 months. Before we are adding 6 months, now here we will add 8 months, right? For fifth installment, see, from date we are adding 8 months. What will be the value that will come here? And last is last sixth opportunity payment plan, here we are adding the 10 months inside the from date. What will be the from date? We will add 10 months inside that date. That output will come and it will store the value here. So now last outcome is monthly payment plan. So see here in opportunity our last payment plan is monthly payment plan, that is having total 12 installment. For every month they are creating one installment, like 1st January first installment, 2nd January, 1st of February second installment, 1st of March third installment, like this. For all 12 months they are creating one installment, right? So each installment contains 8.33 percentage, like this. So here we are giving that outcome in decision element, like payment plan. If opportunity payment plan equals to monthly payment, if opportunity payment plan equals to monthly payment, so run this state block, right? So here we are creating same records, like manually we are creating here. Just we will give the name for the record, and this opportunity payment plan record we are creating. See here amount, what will be the lease amount? Now we are dividing that lease amount by 12. Why? Now we need to create 12 payment plans, no? So each payment plan contains same value, so that's why we have created one resource, that monthly payment. Where is the monthly payment? Yes, here is the monthly payment amount calculation. See here we are taking the lease amount from the record and getting divided by 12. Okay, so what will be the, if the lease amount is if the lease amount is, so example, see if here we will see, if lease amount is 100, we are dividing by 12. So what will be the 8.33 will be the value, so it will store the value 8.33. Same, and installment date, as we know, for first installment will be the from date value, installment name, first installment number, first installment percentage. For this one more variable we have created, formula variable, like monthly payment plan percentage. See here is the, so now what we are doing, total percentage is 100 and we are dividing that opportunity in 12%. Okay, in 12. So what will be the value for this? 8.33 something. So that value will get stored in this percentage field. Same thing for opportunity ID we are storing here, and payment, for payment plan we are storing the payment plan ID here. For second record, we are creating record manually on opportunity payment plan. Everything will be same. For amount we will use the amount payment calculation only, lease amount divided by 12. And for installment date we will add 1 month in from date. What will be the date in from date? We will add inside that 1 month. Okay, so where is the monthly second installment? See, here is the monthly second installment, right? So here we are adding months in from date. If from date, example, today is 1st of January, so we are adding 1 month inside that. So what will be the outcome for that? 1st of February after adding 1 month. Okay, so that will be get stored here. And installment number 2, second installment, as we know already one we have created, so this is second installment. Installment percentage, same variable we are using here. Monthly payment plan calculation at 100 divided by 12. Opportunity ID we are storing in opportunity, payment plan ID we are storing in payment plan. For third record, here is the third record, amount on opportunity payment plan manually, amount that resource only, monthly payment plan calculation divided by 12. Whatever the lease amount that is getting divided by 12, value will come here. And installment date, now we will add 2 months in from date. See, monthly 3 installments are there. So here we are bringing from date from record and adding 2 months. Why 2 months? Before, for first installment is from date. After we are adding for second installment, we are adding in from date 1 month. So now we are adding 2 months, right? So second month's value will become here. If for example, if in second installment date will be the second 1st February, so for third installment the date will after adding 2 months. So first installment date is 1st of January, no? So inside 1st of January we will add 2 months, February, March. So it will store the 1st of March value here. Okay, for same everything, third installment, percentage, opportunity ID and payment plan. For fourth record, we are creating everything same amount, we are using that resource only. Monthly payment calculation divided by 12 is for installment date, we are adding the 1 month in 1 month again in from date. If from date is example, here you can understand, if from date is 1st January, for second installment date is 2nd January, we are adding 2 months. And for third installment we are adding 3 months. For fourth installment we are adding 4 months. Fifth installment we are adding 5 months. So for this only, just everything will be same for all records. For the monthly payment plan, here you can see here there are 12 installments, so there are 12 opportunity payment plan records. See, so everything is same, just we need to change the date. Like see here, what will be everything we are putting value as same inside every field, just we need to change the installment date, right? So here what is the monthly ninth installment, this is the resource, monthly ninth installment. See here we are adding 8 months in from date. What will be the from date? We are adding 8 months inside that. If from date is 1st of January, as you know, so what will be the output if we will add 8 months inside that? 1st of January, if we add 8 months, what will be the outcome? 1st of August, right? So just you need to give the installment date different by creating a new resource. Everything how you have seen in this session, I think you have understand easily everything. So just now what we will do this, now we will just activate this flow. Before activating, what we will do, we will test this flow, right? So what this on this opportunity we will test. What is the opportunity name? ABC test opportunity. Okay, so we will debug this flow, like created, run immediately, right? We'll select here opportunity, ABC test opportunity, right? Okay, now we will run the flow. Yes, completed. That means our flow have run successfully. So what that here our interview started, and here conditions requirements made. What will be the condition inside that? And here decision element took decision, which payment plan record is there, yearly payment is there, and if in yearly, it will be creating only one record, right? So it is creating only one record, right? See, in opportunity, there is only one payment, yearly payment, and yearly payment plan we are having here only one record, right? You can see here in yearly payment plan only one record. So we will check one more opportunity, like we will check the 12 monthly opportunity. Is there any monthly opportunity available? Yes, this Eddie Christian, close one. See, here is the monthly payment plan. Inside this opportunity payment plan is monthly. Eddie Christian name for that. Now here we will debug again this flow. Debug again, run immediately created on. Now we will select this opportunity, Eddie Christian, right? This opportunity, Eddie Christian, Eddie Christian, Christian. So now we will run. Okay, so see, our flow has been successfully run, completed. Our interview schedule, start condition requirement, decision element. Here decision element came, and decision element check the what is the payment plan inside that. So there is monthly payment plan inside this. So here our interview started, start condition and decision element went, and you can see this dark blue line. These are the light lines, and this is the dark blue line. It means what on what outcome our decision element has had run the flow, triggered the flow, right? So here is the our all 12 records monthly has been created. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes, so now this our flow has been run. Now we can activate the flow, and we after activating the flow we can go to the opportunity. In opportunity we will check, we'll create one more new opportunity, leasing opportunity, and opportunity name we will give the already we have tested the monthly opportunity and yearly, so we'll give the quarterly opportunity. We'll give account name as Angel Cloud. We'll give phone number, default value. Project we will select Avenue Reality and Avenue Daffodils. The building unit will be the 1 BHK, and payment plan is what payment plan? Quarterly, right? Here we will select the quarterly payment plan. So lease amount will be 20,000, and stage will be prospecting. And from that is from 21st March 2025 to 20 March 2026. This is the lease period. And close date for this opportunity it will be 25 March. Okay, now everything we have done, all mandatory we have filled. Now we will create the opportunity. Okay, so our opportunity has been created, everything is there. Opportunity name is quarterly test opportunity, and lease amount is 20,000. So here we will say the opportunity payment plan. See, there is no payment plan here, zero payment plans, and here we have selected the quarterly payment plan. So our flow is running on close one opportunity. If our opportunity is getting close one, our flow will be get triggered. One we will add here unit also, opportunity unit, for Avenue Reality, Avenue Daffodil, on first floor. Unit number will be 103. square 1500 square foot. Okay, save. We have created the opportunity unit also for this opportunity. Now you have seen here there is no payment plan. So now in here we are our opportunity is getting close one. So we have selected the quarterly payment plan here. So in payment if we have select quarterly payment plan, how many installments will be get created? One, two, three, four. So each installment contains 25 percentage, 25 percentage, 25 percentage. Okay. So here we will close the opportunity as closed one and we will save the record. So see here our opportunity is close one. We will go to the opportunity. See here there are four opportunity payment plan is get created. Each payment plan installment percentage is 25, 25, 25 as we see here 25, 25, 25 and installment date is every what will be the from date we are adding 3 months inside that. If 21/3 we are adding 3 months inside that, 21/6 after that we are adding 6 months inside that from date, result will be 9. In that after we were adding 9 months, so after 3 we are adding 9 inside 3, what will be the outcome? 12/3/2025 is there is the installment 1 second third fourth. So you can see this our payment plan is working properly. We have done with the opportunity payment plans, right? So for a see here what is the from date, our first installment always getting here in notes we have seen a record as from date 16/3/2020. What will be the from date? So every payment plan first installment date will be from date, right? So here is the first from date is 21/3/2025. Our opportunity installment date first installment date is 21/3/2025, right? Okay. So we have done with the payment plan automation in Salesforce real leasing project. Okay, we have done with the we have seen the all 5 payment plans in one flow. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video.